In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Perplexity API, generate an API key, send your first request, and read the response. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll understand the full basic workflow, where to find the API settings, how to create a key, how to make a request to the chat completions endpoint, and how to pull the answer and source links from the JSON response. First, sign in to your Perplexity account and open the settings area. Inside settings, look for the API section. This is where you manage access for programmatic requests, meaning requests you send from your own code or command line instead of through the normal website interface. Once you're in the API settings, you're ready for the next part. Now generate an API key. Click the option labeled Generate API Key. After that, Perplexity will display a key as a long string of characters. Copy that key and store it securely. This key acts like a credential that allows your application to communicate with the API on your behalf, so treat it carefully. Don't paste it into public code, shared screenshots, or any place where other people could access it. If you're testing locally, it's usually best to keep it in an environment variable or another secure storage method. Once you have the key, the next step is making a request. You'll send an HTTP post request to https api.perplexity.ai/chat/completions. In your code, include the authorization header with your API key and use the Sonar model in the request body. You can do this using a tool like Python requests or curl, depending on your workflow. The main idea is that your application sends a prompt to the endpoint and the API returns a structured JSON response containing the model's output. After the request succeeds, the final step is parsing the response. Read the JSON payload and extract the generated answer from the appropriate response field, then look for the cited URLs included in the response so you can capture the sources along with the answer. This is especially useful if you want to display both the response text and its references in your own app or automation. That's the complete process. Access the API settings, generate a key, send a post request to the chat completions endpoint using the Sonar model, and parse the JSON for the answer and cited links. If you follow those steps carefully and keep your API key secure, you'll have a solid foundation for working with the Perplexity API.